In this video, you'll explore how objects are arranged, and you use arrange commands to change the artwork stacking order. If you want to follow along, you can open this file from the practice files for this tutorial. Now to see the first artboard, choose 1, Start, from the artboard menu down here. Then to make sure that it's zoomed into the artboard, choose View, Fit Artboard and Window. On this artboard, there are 3 shapes. Content you add is stacked one object on top of another. When objects overlap, you can see how these objects are stacked. The light green shape was created first, then the dark green shape, then the yellow shape in this example. Now with the selection tool selected, click to select the darker green shape. You can use arrange commands to bring artwork on top of other artwork or behind other artwork. To bring the darker green shape on top of the other shapes, in the Properties panel to the right of the document, click the Arrange button and choose Bring to Front. The darker green shape is now in front of all the other artwork in the document, even artwork on a different artboard. Now to send the darker green shape behind all the other artwork in the document, click the Arrange button again and choose Send to Back. It's now behind the rest of the shapes. Click the Arrange button in the Properties panel again and notice the Bring Forward and Send Backward commands. The Bring Forward command moves the selected artwork on top of the next object in the stacking order. In other words, the object just on top of it. The Send Backward command sends the selected artwork behind or beneath the next object in the stacking order. Now you can't select the Send Backward command because the selected green shape is already behind all of the other artwork. Now to show artwork on another artboard where you'll arrange some artwork to finish it, choose 2 Artwork from the artboard menu down here. There are a series of shapes that make up a radio here. Some are behind this big green shape. To see all of the shapes out here, choose View, Outline. In outline mode, only the outlines of the artwork are visible, so you'll be able to see the artwork that isn't visible when it's behind or beneath other artwork. To see the artwork in color again, choose View, Preview. Now click to select the large green shape. To send it behind the other artwork, click the Arrange button in the Properties panel and choose Send to Back. Now select this green circle. To arrange it, click the Arrange button in the Properties panel and choose Send to Back. Unfortunately, the green circle was sent behind the large green shape because you sent it to the back, which is now behind the large green shape, behind everything else. You need the circle to be behind the heart shape, but on top of the large green shape. You can now bring the circle forward in the stack. With it selected, click the Arrange button in the Properties panel and choose Bring Forward to bring it on top of the large green shape, but still behind the heart shape. Now to deselect all of the artwork, click in an empty area of the artboard. Arranging artwork makes it easier to work with design content, allowing you to stack artwork in the order you choose. If you want, you can try arranging some of the other artwork out here to get some practice.